Достар, біз қазір Карши сабақтамыз. Бізде міне бүгін 4-ақ өйткені көбісі Чеджу қаласына кетіп қалды. Алдында біз барған жерге. Қазір бізде индонезиялық, колумбиялық және индиялық. Инда, Дженнифер және Дипти бар. Олардан мен сұрағым келіп тұр. Инда, can you tell me? Инда әрқашанда ұялады түсіретін кезде, бірақ түседі жаным. Инда, could you tell me 3 plus? Okay, one. What you like and what you don't like.
Oh, okay.
3 things.
3 things.
Yes.
Okay, first in Indonesia is the food is very cheap. All like vegetable, fruit is cheap. And then Indonesian people is very kind.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You are so kind. I know it.
So all people is like, hi, hello.
Good
Or-
people.
Yeah, or especially with foreigner, they always help. Like maybe some people it's difficult to find something, but Indonesia has a beautiful place, many more beautiful place. And,
To visit.
yeah, like a mountain or sea.
Nature.
Very,
Very beautiful nature.
Very beautiful.
And the 3 minus, what you don't like.
Maybe only one, especially in my hometown in Jakarta, it's very crowded.
Жакартада адам өте
Yeah.
көп дейді, сол жері минус дейді.
So when I went to the my office, it's like by car. It's only the place only maybe 20 kilometers, but the time sometimes until 1 hour or 2 hours or go to my office.
Wow. Okay, пробкалар.
That's why I'm go to my office by
Car.
train.
Ah.
Yeah, MRT.
Fast train.
Yeah, MRT.
Maybe people use motorbikes
Yeah.
also,
Also.
like in Thailand. Okay, Inda, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.